Apeiron ego. Apeiron ego. First, we need to pick a chocolate. It can be milk, dark, or white chocolate. Each of these have different melting temperatures. We chose dark chocolate. When you have the chocolate, we are going to melt it, so we have to crush the chocolate into tiny pieces so it can melt faster. After a crushing process, we grab the chocolate and put it into the bowl. Then we open the microwave and set 20 seconds the first time. After a timer is up, we pull the bowl out and we scramble a bit the chocolate, which is still in chunks. After that, we put it again in the microwave, but this time only 10 seconds, and we repeat the process. We do this until the chocolate has reached its melting temperature, which is 47 degrees Celsius, and it's
Then we took the melted chocolate that was at 45 Celsius degrees and we pour it into the table. In the table, we move it around with some spatulas to lower its temperature. To then, after some time in the table, put it into the molds to make the part of the chocolate, the right part, the rigid part of the chocolate. But we made a mistake, and it was that at the time of the first temperate, we left the chocolate and it cooled down until it got to a wrong temperature. The temperature that it was expected to get was like 21 to 23 Celsius degrees approximately. So we had to repeat again the whole process.
After you have the temperate complete, place the chocolate inside the molds. Later on, make sure that you remove the excess from the molds. After that, proceed to placing the molds inside the refrigerator. To make sure that the shape of the chocolate is even, grab your spatula on top of the mold and move it around, removing the excess.
For the ganache, we picked brownie batter and arequipe. After taking the molds out of the freezer, it's time to fill them up with the ganache. We pour just enough inside the mold so we can fill it with the remaining chocolate. Once again, we remove the excess from the top and we deliver it to the freezer for approximately 10 minutes. After 10 minutes have passed, we proceed to take the chocolate truffle out of the molds. We do this by carefully pushing them out. This process varies from mold to mold. If the temper process was made correctly, the chocolate truffles should be shiny. Then voila! We have chocolate truffles ready to eat and enjoy.